I'm Justin Jones, but to my fans, I'm Justin Hot Wheels Jones, and I'm the best racer in all of Somerset.
Howdy, Hot Wheels.
Oh no, it's my arch rival, Speedy Sarah.
Now, I have a proposition for you. I propose a race to settle all this once and for all, and whoever has the biggest, baddest, most extreme truck wins.
I know just where to go.
Hot Wheels, I got your call.
Can you really get me the biggest, baddest, most extreme truck ever?
Absolutely I can, but I need to show you how they're made first. So it all starts here. Everything we build begins with raw material. It could be plates or sheets of material, could be extrusions, could be angles, it could be channels, but it all begins in this bay. As the process goes further up in the shop, we're going to build the sides, we're going to attach the sides to the body, we're going to weld it up, and then the end of this shop, that's where the body and the truck chassis get mounted. This section of the plant, we're building the body. So we begin with the underbody, which is around us. It can either be welded up by hand or on the robot, which is behind us.
I understand how they're made, but I don't know what's so cool about manufacturing.
You know, it's not just the products, it's the people. It takes a whole group of individuals working. We have welders here, we have mechanics, we have painters, we have engineers, accountants, and safety people all working together to build some of the best products that are available in our market.
The coolest thing about manufacturing is you're producing a product. So your hands are on that product, everybody that works on there, and it's pride in what you do and what you make.
I would think the greatest part is the sense of accomplishment. When you build one of these big trucks and you see it all done. The hardest part would be being the only female in the workplace, but it's very fun.
Being able to design it on a computer and seeing it go down the road.
Wow, Hot Wheels, how did you get such a cool truck like this?
Through the power of manufacturing.